This is a really cool product that you can send somebody, a family member, somebody in college, somebody who loves snacks. This is Gift a Snack, Diwali Healthy Snack Box Variety Pack Care Package with a nice greeting cards that we'll open it up and we'll see a card that talk about this product. This is excellent for anybody that wants food like this. This is really a whole basket of great products, and you can look on Amazon, the listing, it does show you what's in there, but it's got garden veggie straws, Mott's fruit snacks assorted, Nature Valley oats and honey, Nature Valley peanut butter bar, Nature Valley fruit and nuts, Pirate's Booty white cheddar, Planters peanuts, Quaker Chewy bars, and there's even more than that. I just can't go over the whole list, but check it out on Amazon. They have different boxes with different packs in there, but this is really amazing. A lot of things that people just love are in this, and they did a good choice of selecting. So again, this is the Gift a Snack, and you're going to want to be able to send this to somebody who really appreciates snacks, and who doesn't love snacks. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.